Hi, I'm Nissa and I'm an English teacher. Today, I'm gonna tell you another story, and this time it's about the little blue truck's Christmas. Oh, I wonder what happened to the little blue truck on Christmas. Do you want to know as well? So let's find out together. Beep, beep, beep. December is here. Little blue truck is full of cheer. Oh, he is so happy. What makes him happy anyway? Let's find out. Oh, every Christmas, little blue truck has a delivery job to do. Okay, so he is a delivery truck. That's great. What does he want to deliver? Perhaps this Christmas tree? I think so. Okay, so 5 trees are ready to take a ride. How many trees will fill inside the truck? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4 trees, and just enough room for one more tree. So that's only 4 and 5. Yes, that's 5 green trees make one big load. Oh, it's so heavy, but it doesn't matter for the little blue truck because he is strong and he likes to do his job. So, beep beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Look at this one. It's so crowded because it's Christmas night. And Blue has friends both far and near. So, he needs to deliver all of these trees to all of his friends. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Let's find out. Okay, so the first time he goes to the goose house, says the goose. Mr. Truck, I want this one, please, said Mr. Duck. So he takes the Christmas tree number 5. That is the biggest Christmas tree. Oh, why does he take the biggest one? Perhaps because he has a lot of babies. So yeah, perhaps he just need the biggest one because he has the big number of family. Perhaps. Okay, so there are 4 Christmas trees left in the truck. The second one, Mr. Truck goes to the to the cow's house, and he says moo. The cow says moo. I want this tall one, please, said the cow. Oh, he takes Christmas tree number 4. And now there are 3 Christmas trees left in the blue truck. Who's next? The next one, Mr. Blue Truck goes to the pig's house. Oink, 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 says the pig. This fat one, please, says the pig. Now he takes the fat and short Christmas tree, just like this big, fat, and short pig. Okay. And there are 2 Christmas trees left in the truck. And the next one. So that is the goat. This short one, please. The goat likes the short one. Why? I don't know. It's his preference, so that's okay. And so there is 1 Christmas tree left in the blue truck. 1 tree left in the blue truck? What a very good luck, thinks little blue truck. Why does he think that way? What do you think? It's because, ta-da! Little blue truck also needs a Christmas tree. And beep, beep, beep. This one is for me. Thanks, Little Blue Truck. And he decorates the tree with all of this decoration. Okay, so that's all the story about Little Blue Truck. It's very fun to have a Christmas celebration like this. Even though I don't celebrate Christmas, but to read this kind of story is fun. Okay, I think that's all. Do you like the story as well? Or do you have any other request from me to make another video of another story? You can put your comment on the comment section below. Okay, by the way, that's all. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.